Hey friends, it's Minimum Bet Monday and we're playing High Stakes Lightning Link on a 1-cent denomination. We're going to do a 50-cent bet. If you are new to the idea of Minimum Bet Monday, let me explain it to you. Every Monday we post a video of a slot machine with a minimum bet. We're going to do $20 or 10 minutes, whichever runs out first, and we're going to see if we can hit jackpot. I've seen an awful lot of people hit jackpots on minimum bets, and I want it to be me. 205 win. I don't usually do minimum bets, but I think there's a lot to be said for it, and I've started to do it more frequently lately when I started filming this series and realized what it means. Basically means your money doesn't disappear in like 1 second, which unfortunately is the case for us sometimes otherwise. I like it. It's kind of like a chill vibe. You just get your drink if you have one, get your water if you don't drink, whatever it is. Chill, hang out with your friends. Enjoy the casino vibe a little bit without having to just blow through a bunch of money. We need 6 of these poker chips or 3 of the golden suitcases. I feel like you guys probably already knew that. We're at the California today in Las Vegas, downtown on Fremont Street. Having an awfully nice day, and I hope that you guys are too. I'm missing my sister today. She's not here with me. Laura is not here today. So it's just me. Alright, our money's disappearing a little faster than I would like. We need a win. Alright, there we go. One more. Oh! I really thought we were going to get that one. I truly did. Got some 10s and wilds for 30 cents. Queens and wilds for 20 cents. 4 but not 6 poker chips. Come on now, high stakes. Playing with us. Well, this is going to be a short Minimum Bet Monday video if we don't get a win here. The realities of casino gaming. Sometimes it just doesn't go the way you want it to. Alright guys, that actually may be, well, let's do this and see before I speak too soon. Alright, we lost that too. I think this is actually like a Minimum Bet Monday record here. We're at 3 minutes and 59 seconds and our money is gone. We usually make it much longer than that, but we didn't today. So anyway, happy Monday anyhow. We love you. We'd love to have you as a subscriber. Laura and I super appreciate you watching. Thanks so much.